And welcome. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel your Bandlab membership. To cancel your Bandlab membership, you need to do so through your account's membership settings at least 24 hours before your next renewal date. You see, the steps are like this. Step 1. Access your Bandlab account on the web or mobile app. Next, look for a membership or subscription option within your account settings. This is usually found in your profile or account management section. On the web, it is often accessible via a button labeled Get in the top right corner, which will then lead you to your membership details. Next, you are to find an option that says Cancel Subscription or similar wording. Then you follow the prompt to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to complete all the steps to ensure your membership is successfully cancelled. To avoid being charged for the next billing cycle, ensure you cancel at least 24 hours before your subscription is set to renew, either monthly or annually, depending on your plan. Here are important considerations. If you purchased your Bandlab membership through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, you must cancel directly through the respective store subscription management settings. Bandlab cannot manage cancellation for subscriptions billed through these platforms. Bandlab's policy states that payments are generally non-refundable even if you forget to cancel before the renewal date or don't utilize the membership services. To avoid unwanted charges, ensure timely cancellation. If you're on a free trial, it is generally recommended to cancel immediately after starting the trial if you do not intend to continue with the paid membership. This often allows you to still enjoy the trial period without the risk of being charged automatically.